This is as long as the football field. $8,000 a piece. And the crazy thing is they are bullet resistant. Presentation for you.
I don't deserve this. You look perfect.
Good morning, how are you?
Oke, hari ini kita naik bus lagi ya buat acara Fashion Incubator. Hello, morning. So busnya ya sama aja kayak kemarin. Terus, oh beda kayaknya. This is better. Hey Wei, Chi.
Yes.
Do you have any relation to Sang-Chi?
Wow, how come at you?
I might have.
You might have. Jadi inilah pemandangan pagi hari ini. That's friends there from the Philippines. The country of what do you say? The country of what?
The Prayer of the Orient Sea.
Oh, I see. Okay. Ya sebenarnya udara hari ini enak sih, cuman kayaknya gue aja yang kurang enak badan, jadinya agak serba salah ya. Tadi pagi suara gue nggak bisa keluar sama sekali. Alhamdulillah sekarang udah bisa keluar lagi ya, tapi begini suaranya. Mau coba nanti beli obat. Masalahnya adalah program jalan terus, tapi gue jadi nggak bisa terlalu banyak istirahat, dan gue pengen coba untuk fulfill semua programnya, biar benar-benar teman-teman juga bisa ngeliat dan ngerasa, at least nanti semoga bisa ngerasain juga programnya kayak apa dan apakah ini bermanfaat buat teman-teman di kedepannya. Oke, cheers. Halo. Oke, we are here. Sudah sampai di trip yang pertama.
Sudah sampai.
Oke, di Fashion Incubator. Jadi kita bakal ada kelas lagi pagi ini. Thank you sir.
Thank you.
Masih berembun banget ya. Ini masih pagi banget soalnya jam 7.45 tadi berangkat. Sekarang di sini kita udah jam 8-an. Jadi masih sangat-sangat pagi untuk memulai kelas. Tapi it's gonna be fun. Let's see.
Oke, jadi kita udah sampai di ACC Incubator, Accelerator ini. Jadi itu kayak semacam filmnya, kita bakal belajar tentang inkubator fashion sih.
Kita suara gue bagusan kayak gini guys. Tanita, suara gue bagusan seperti ini teman-teman.
Iya, kayak lebih bapak-bapak.
Lebih bapak-bapak. Terus kalau nyanyi Tulus jadi lebih bagus gitu
Jadi
ya.
lebih kayak Tulus.
Oke, ini sekarang kita lagi di Austin Community College. Jadi di Austin Community College ini dulunya mall yang direvitalisasi jadi sebuah community college. Dimana kalau community college itu satu step sebelum lah, bisa jadi sebelum, kalau misalnya itu bisa jadi opsi buat kamu yang mau kuliah di sini. Nah, tapi belum pengen ngambil undergraduate atau bachelor. Kamu bisa ngambil community college dulu karena dia lebih, kalau bisa dibilang tadi dijelasin kalau itu kayak setengahnya dari bachelor degree. Tapi kalau misalnya kamu nanti mau lanjut ke bachelor degree, itu bisa. Karena jadi dari apa yang kamu udah pelajarin di community college, itu bisa dilanjut di bachelor degree yang biasanya 4 tahun di sini.
Of ACC because that's how they know the training, they know the companies.
It's more like a vocational college.
What's that?
It's a vocational college.
Kind of, yeah. It's kind of a mix of everything. They've really evolved and have done some amazing things. Like they have an auto industry, they have culinary, they have fashion. So it's really amazing what they do. Really state of the art.
Ini warnanya lumayan beda ya. Kalau misalnya University of Texas itu warnanya orange, tapi di sini Austin Community College itu warnanya ungu. Untuk merchandise-nya mayoritas warnanya ungu. Nah ini kayak bisa teman-teman lihat di sini kan, ini kayak shopping mall banget kan, karena emang dulunya tuh shopping mall gitu yang direvitalisasi.
So excited.
My name is Michelle Washington. I'm the instructional coordinator for the Austin Community College Fashion Incubator. My key job is to make sure that the designers are learning. So I coordinate their schedule as well as the guest speakers, and I coordinate also their instructors and how many phases of learning that they get. So our space is really, it's a business space. I'm sure you've heard of things like workspaces and conference spaces. Well, a lot of designers, they mostly work out of their homes, or if they can have an opportunity to collaborate with someone on a workspace. But so we kind of take care of that all in one.
The ACC Foundation can invest.
Hai teman, berlangganan dulu yuk dengan menekan tombol subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng. Jangan lupa nyalakan caption untuk melihat keterangan dan pasang headphone untuk pengalaman yang lebih baik. Terima kasih sudah mendukung kanal ini agar terus membuat video yang bermanfaat setiap harinya. Selamat menikmati.
Wih, disambut nih.
13 minutes late.
Really? Wow. Sorry for that.
We have too many questions.
So, we
Grab one of those each.
Thank you.
Jadi ini sekarang kita di Accelerators and Strategic Initiative.
Oke, sekarang kita ada di
Impact
akseleratornya. Ini
Fantastic.
bakal ada presentasi di sini.
This place, which you're in, Accelerator, which is the largest learning environment, technical learning environment in the world, or our president would say, the galaxy. So when we walk around, if you have not been to UT football stadium, this is as long as the football field. It's about 41,000 square feet that you are in. This used to be an old mall, shopping mall, right? The Highland Shopping Mall. And I believe this was the ladies' shoe department that we are sitting in right now. And so if you think about it, if you look at the construction back in the 60s, you know, they built this almost like a bunker. That's why you see the concrete is so thick and hard. So if we had a nuclear bomb, most of the stuff would still be here. We wouldn't, but the structure would still be here. Right. The pods are, yeah, very, very expensive pods. $8,000 a piece. Wow. Yes. And the crazy thing is they are bullet resistant, not bulletproof. What's the difference between resistance versus proof?
It will still make a dent, but it's not gonna.
That's right. So resistant, bullet 1, bullet 2, bullet 3, bullet 4. Get out of here, right? Presentation for you.
Oke, kita bakal masuk ke Impact Innovative Manufacturing Partnership Accelerating Central Texas Austin Community College.
Our job is to help startups and entrepreneurs get access to all sorts of different pieces of equipment and some space where they can develop their products and bring them to market that much faster. So instead of these startups having to invest their own money in a long-term lease at a warehouse, and then buying their own equipment, maintaining their own equipment, they can pay a rent fee here, and then they get access to all of this stuff whenever we're open. One example, one of our companies told us they were actually able to reallocate about $200,000 of their funding to hiring more employees instead of having to invest in the equipment. So that means they can hire more engineers to develop things faster, hire more salespeople to generate more sales, and generate capital that way. So some of the architectural design, they were 3D printing landscapes and then 3D printing a building that they designed on top of it. So we were helping them show how to use the 3D printers, iterate on the 3D printers, say, okay,
with startups and with people in the community, it's a lot more inclusive. So somewhere like UT, that's a top university, they're going to be a lot more exclusive. Listening to our friends when you say I need my breath when you
Perfection.
I don't deserve this, you perfect tonight.
It's an MV.
Subscribe ke bern.id. Dan jangan lupa untuk mengunduh Pranala App. Untuk video terbaru, kamu bisa klik video di kanan atas. Dan untuk video rekomendasi, bisa klik video di kanan bawah. Terima kasih.